responsible source of this responsible source of soil erosion. So factors causing soil erosion. Now we will study about the factors causing soil erosion. So first factor is running water. Running water cause the maximum amount of soil erosion. The running water or flowing water which is running in river or on land, so that is one big cause of soil erosion. When rain falls, the running water carries away the topsoil with it. Topsoil means top layer of soil removes with the help of running water. So due to removal of the fertile topsoil, the land become unsuitable for farming, right? If there will be, the soil will not present, it will flow from one place to another place with water. So definitely the fertility of that particular place will reduce due to soil erosion. And the crop, which type of crop farmers need, that they can't grow there, the quality crops can't be grown in that field if the soil erosion is continuously done on that place. The problem of soil erosion becomes acute in hilly areas. The hill stations or hilly areas where hills are there, on that hills, when water falls over it, so due to slope or incline, so due to slope or inclinedness, the water flows through that hill stations or hilly places, and with water the soil also removed from that place faster than flow of water. Due to the faster flow of the water, the more is the soil erosion. The erosion of soil is increased due to fast flow of the water. So now, did you know the river named Huang Ho is also called Sorrow of China, as it changes its course very often. Now wind. Wind is in desert and semi-desert regions where a strong wind blows. A lot of topsoil is carried away. This affects the farmers because manure too is blown away. Okay, quite often the roots of the plants lose their soil cover and the plants die. Means due to wind blow, है ना, strong wind blow, the soil displayed from one place to another place, or it moves from one place to another place. So due to that, the plants, sometimes the roots of plants gets uncovered due to strong wind, and the plants die due to lack of soil in their roots. Okay, and human beings. Now the next reason is human beings. Roots of trees and plants hold the soil together. We know very well, if there is soil, the root of the plant grows inside the soil and it holds the soil tightly together. So felling of trees or deforestation is a major cause of soil erosion. When trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away with the help of strong wind and heavy rainfall. So we can say that human beings, they cut the trees, and due to lack of trees, they means remove all this material from here. So I think it is the reason: running water, wind, human beings. These are the three responsible agents which are the cause of soil erosion. Plugging of hill slopes is yet another human factor that leads to soil erosion. Plugging means to plug the फील्ड को जोतना, है ना, या फिर मिट्टी को खोदना हिल स्टेशन पे. उससे क्या होता है, व्हेन द रेन फॉल्स, दैट प्लग्ड सॉइल, है ना, कैरिड विथ वाटर, है ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बिग कॉज. प्लगिंग ऑफ हिल स्लोप्स is yet another human factor that leads to soil erosion. Overgrazing by cattle removes the plants cover from the soil. This cause soil erosion, है ना. ओवर ग्राजिंग means excess grazing, ज़्यादा जानवरों को खाना खिलाना या फिर उनको ग्राजिंग करवाना, घास खाने के लिए छोड़ देना, एक्सिस. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉज ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द अपर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड मड और सॉइल. तो व्हाट विल कम हियर? मड. व्हाट विल कम हियर? The uppermost layer of the earth is called mud or soil. What will come here? Soil. The right option is soil in first number. Oral questions. So soil you have to take. Second number, rock metals break up from soil. Break up to form soil. So rock. What will come? Rock break up to form soil. It takes millions, some years for rocks to break down into teeny particles that form the soil. Millions. What will come? Millions of the years. So this is the right option in third number. Fourth number, water, wind both are agents of soil erosion. Water and wind both are. So here what will come? Both. Both are agents of soil erosion is the correct option. Soil conservation. How to conserve the soil or how to save the soil from the soil erosion. So now we will see soil conservation. Nature took millions of years to form soil. Nature took millions of years to form soil. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. The protection of soil agents is erosion is called soil conservation. Means natural tool millions of years to form soil. Nature took means our nature took a lot of time or a long time. Nature took a long time. Nature took millions of years to form a soil. It is needed. It is taking thousands of years to form a soil. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect the soil. So the protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation, or to save or to protect the soil is called soil conservation. We cannot stop the natural forces like wind and water from causing soil erosion. It is true that we can't stop to wind also and rain also. So that means we can't stop the erosion through these two factors. But however, soil can be conserved by controlling the action of these agents of erosion. This can be done in a number of ways. है ना? Means what causes the soil erosion done by human beings, that can be prevented or that can be controlled by ourselves. That is in our control. But that natural things we can't control. That wind and water, that we can't control. The rain we can't control. But human activities can be controlled. So in this order, first number we are reading planting more trees. We should plant more trees to stop the soil erosion, so that the roots of the tree or the plant hold the soil and it will stay there on one place only. And due to water or due to wind, it will not move from one place to another place, or it will not go to the river or sea or river bank. So that planting more trees is one solution of this problem. Plants lessen soil erosion. Plants lessen soil erosion. They prevent water and wind from blowing away the soil, as I told you. So planting trees is an effective way of reducing erosion. Afforestation works equally well both in plants as well as in hilly areas. Means plain or hilly area, both the places we should plant more and more trees. In that case, we can reduce the soil erosion. Afforestation. Deforestation means to remove or to destroy the plants. Afforestation means to grow or to plant new trees and new plants. So that is called afforestation, to grow the number of trees and plants, and to cut or to reduce the plants, number of plants and trees. So that is called a deforestation. Okay, now avoid leaving the soil bare. So winds blow off the soil from bare fields. Bare field means where there is no crop. From like this place, fields, soil can be blown away with the help of wind. So field should be left bare, not be left bare. Means it should not be left bare. Something we must sow in it. Means we must grow any plant a tree or anything, means any crop. Between the cropping seasons they can be covered with grass. The roots of these plants will hold the soil particles together and prevent the soil from being blown away. So this is the reason, that's why we must not leave it bare, means खेत को आपको फील्ड को खाली नहीं छोड़ना है, हमको उसमें कुछ न कुछ लगाते रहना है, so that the soil will not move from one place to another place. As it is, third option is the terrace farming. Terrace farming is cutting the slope into steps of terraces can reduce soil erosion, as is shown in figure, that just steps are made in this figure. Just I am showing you this steps are shown in this figure, and on this third numbers points beside of this terrace farming, beside one peak is given there. So this is called a terrace farming, in which the hilly places cut down in the form of steps, है ना. Steps slow down the flow of water. Steps slow down the flow of water. As the water flow slows down, some soil from one step in left on the next step, those reducing